Hello everyone, I'm Nikhil, your host for the day from Udan Aviation Academy. We are glad to welcome the expert and speaker of the day, Mr. Vishal Jolapara. Now, Vishal is a widely published aviation photographer in India. Like you, we are just as excited to learn on this ever exciting subject. Over to you, Vishal.
Afternoon, everyone. I am Vishal. So, hi, I'm 35. I graduated from college. I'm a commerce graduate. So, I graduated from college back in 2006. And I always wanted to be a pilot. In fact, initially, I wanted to be a wildlife conservationist. Went back to my original passion, which is aviation. So while I was at pilot training down school here in Carver in Bombay, so this is where we used to be, right here. How many of you recognize this airplane?
Air Deccan.
Air Deccan.
Yes, that's correct. It is Air Deccan. It's taking off. In the distance, you can see there's an Indian Airlines Airbus A300. That is number 2 for departure. Number 1 is another Jet Airways 737-400, the old legacy 737s, and the A340-300 is just in positive climb. So here it comes, and this is what I used to wait for. Now this, so I used to wait right here, and the A340 would just do a very low, late takeoff, and it would just come right here, and you can see all these treetops over here, and the aircraft would just about emerge right over the treetops. Anybody knows what this is?
747-200.
200.
Yes, but anybody knows what airline this is? Good trivia question. Take a guess. What airline is this?
Modi left or East West?
Damania. Sahara.
Damania?
I heard Damania, I heard Sahara, I heard Modi Luft, I heard East West.
Can I
Anyone?
guess? East West, right? East West.
Right. So I will just zoom in on the register. Yes, there you go. EWJ, East West Airlines. So at KIA currently, there are a few options. Now you see this one. So this Ola parking zone. Now there's another one where along this highway, so they get approach shots and all from here for all 27 left arrivals. Similarly, this highway and this road along this highway here. Now there's this quarry here. This quarry. So this quarry is good for all 09 left arrivals and even 09 right for that matter. I mean, it's not too far from here. So I like to get as close as possible to the aircraft. I like a little bit of ground references also, like ideally a plane on the ground or just about rotating or touching down or some sort of an action shot. So there is this colony, and apparently if you go somewhere over here from this place over here, the airplanes are right in front of you for a 09 right and a 27 left operation. This is my first session ever of this kind. Honestly, I did not know where the time flew. I don't know about you guys, but I really had a lot of fun talking about things that I personally love a lot. I think you guys can quite clearly see I enjoy doing this. I can go on and on. So thank you for bearing with me. I hope you guys enjoyed. There's some takeaways, at least in terms of photo editing. A bit of the, especially the Air India and a little bit of the Indian aviation history that I spoke about.
I must say the session added tremendous value to all of us. A lot of experiences of Vishal actually narrated the story of India's aviation legacy. We hope that the talk has fueled your passion even further and made you further equipped for better clicks than before. For attending this workshop, you are entitled to receive an e-certificate in your mailbox tomorrow, which would be sealed by Udan and signed by Vishal. Thank you so much for joining us today. Let us stay in the loop. Stay tuned at udanaviationacademy.com for more such programs. Thank you so much.